The headlines are everywhere. AI is coming for your job. Elon Musk has reignited the debate about this. He's discussing robotaxis, fully autonomous vehicles that don't need drivers. Millions of jobs are on the line. But it's not limited to taxis. Designers, writers, editors, even lawyers face changes. Automation isn't coming. It's already here. But what if AI can be more than a threat? What if it's your competitive edge? Here's how AI is replacing jobs, and how it can actually help you earn more, not less. Let's explore the AI replacements already happening. Customer support roles? AI chatbots like Intercom and LivePerson are taking over. Content writing? Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Koala.sh are leading the way. Designers and creatives? Platforms like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Neural.Love are changing the game. Drivers and delivery jobs? Tesla Robotaxi, Waymo, and Amazon Scout are on the rise. Finance and analysis? AI tools in Notion and Excel Copilot are becoming standard. No industry is immune. But that's not the end of the story. How can you work with AI instead of against it? Here are some ways real people are using AI to generate income and grow their brands. Consider Walterwrites.AI to write ebooks, blogs, and emails 10 times faster. Use Koala.sh for Google-optimized blog posts instantly. Neural.Love helps create AI art, voiceovers, and avatars. Durable.co can build a business website in just 30 seconds. Notion AI assists with planning, brainstorming, and tracking clients or projects. These tools aren't just helpful. They're affordable, often free, and designed to scale with you. Now, will your job be replaced? Some roles will change, and others will vanish. But the real winners will be those who learn to use AI now. Adapt or get automated. That's why we created Gen AI Tools, to help you discover, test, and earn with the best AI tools each week. So, will AI take your job? Or will you take charge of AI? If this video gave you something to think about, like it. Subscribe to our channel for tools, reviews, and strategies to stay ahead of the AI wave. Visit GenAITools.com and follow at Gen_I_tools on X for the latest updates. Check the description for affiliate discounts.